Imagine waking up to the breathtaking view of Barcelona. Ever wondered what it's like to explore this beautiful city? Welcome to Barcelona, a city that pulses with an irresistible energy. This is not just a city, it's an experience that seizes your senses and doesn't let go. Barcelona is a place where centuries-old history and innovative modernity mingle on every corner. From the shadowy lanes of the Gothic Quarter to the sun-drenched beaches, this city is a feast for the senses. Barcelona's vibrant culture is as diverse as it is captivating. It's a city with a passion for life that's evident in every street performance, every open-air market, and every lively tapas bar. Here, every day is a celebration, and everyone is invited. But Barcelona is not just about the here and now. It's a city with a rich tapestry of history that stretches back to Roman times. Ancient walls whisper tales of past glory, while the stunning architecture of Antoni Gaudí stands as a testament to its continuous strive towards the future. So, what's the best time to immerse yourself in this unique blend of culture, history, and joie de vivre? Barcelona is a city for all seasons, but the months from April to June and from September to October offer the best combination of pleasant weather and fewer crowds. And for those wondering about the cost, there's good news. Barcelona offers a range of experiences to suit all budgets. Whether you're a backpacker or a luxury traveler, this city has something for you. The cuisine, a gastronomical adventure that promises to delight your taste buds. The landmarks, a visual treat that will leave you in awe. The experiences, as varied as the city itself. Barcelona is more than a destination. It's a journey of discovery that promises to be as unforgettable as it is exhilarating. So, are you ready to explore the wonders of Barcelona? It's a city that promises to enchant you, to captivate you, and to leave you longing for more. Begin this journey with an open heart, and Barcelona will fill it with unforgettable experiences. Barcelona boasts numerous renowned landmarks that are worth exploring. Let's start with a marvel that has been over a century in the making, La Sagrada Familia. This towering basilica, a masterpiece of the famed architect Antoni Gaudí, is an absolute marvel. Its intricate facade, adorned with complex sculptures, tells biblical tales, while its towering spires reach for the heavens. What's fascinating is that construction began in 1882, and it's still not finished. Despite this, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most visited monuments in Spain. Next, let's head over to Park Güell, another one of Gaudí's stunning creations. This public park system, composed of gardens and architectonic elements located on Carmel Hill, offers breathtaking views of the city. The park is named after Josep Güell, a wealthy entrepreneur who was the patron of Gaudí. Here you'll find the famous Serpentine Bench, an explosion of color and mosaics, which wraps around the edge of the terrace. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to Casa Batlló, a remarkable building redesigned by Gaudí in 1904. Known locally as Casa dels Ossos, or House of Bones, for its skeletal organic quality, it's a riot of color and shape. The facade, with its wave-like window frames and balconies and colorful ceramic tiles, is a sight to behold. It's said that the roof, resembling a dragon's back, pays homage to St. George, the patron saint of Catalonia. Each of these landmarks is steeped in history and brimming with cultural significance. They showcase Gaudí's unique architectural style, which was heavily influenced by nature. His works are a testament to his genius and a significant contribution to the modernist movement. So, whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a history buff, or simply someone who appreciates beauty, these landmarks are sure to leave you in awe. They offer a glimpse into Barcelona's past, its vibrant culture, and the extraordinary talent of one of its most celebrated sons. These landmarks, each a testament to Barcelona's history and culture, are not to be missed. What's a journey without savoring the local cuisine? Barcelona, the heart of Catalonia, is not just a city of breathtaking architecture and vibrant culture, but also a paradise for food lovers. This city is a melting pot of flavors, where tradition meets innovation in every bite. First off, let's talk about tapas. These small, flavorful dishes are a cornerstone of Spanish cuisine. One of the best places to sample authentic tapas is El Zampanyet. Nestled in the narrow, winding streets of the Elborn district, El Zampanyet is a charming, old-fashioned tapas bar. Here you can savor classic dishes like patatas bravas, gambas al ajillo, and jamon iberico, all washed down with a glass of homemade cava, a local sparkling wine. Next up, we have paella, the iconic Spanish rice dish. For an authentic taste of this culinary delight, make your way to La Mar Salada. Located near the beach in the Poblenou neighborhood, this family-run restaurant specializes in seafood paella, cooked to perfection with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. But Barcelona's food scene is not just about restaurants. It's also about markets, and one that stands out is La Boqueria. This bustling market is a feast for the senses. It's a kaleidoscope of colors, smells, and tastes, where you can find everything from fresh fruits and vegetables to local cheeses, cured meats, and seafood. It's the perfect place to sample a wide variety of Catalan delicacies and experience the city's culinary culture up close. Finally, don't forget to try some local sweets. Turron, a type of nougat, and crema catalana, a rich custard dessert, are two must-try treats that will satisfy any sweet tooth. So there you have it. From tapas bars to beachside restaurants, from bustling markets to sweet shops, Barcelona is a city that invites you to taste, savor, and enjoy. It's a place where every meal is a celebration of life and every dish tells a story. Indulging in Barcelona's culinary scene is a feast for the senses. Beyond its landmarks and food, Barcelona offers myriad experiences to immerse oneself in. As the sun sets, Barcelona morphs into a vibrant playground of lights, music, and dance. The nightlife here is as colorful and diverse as the city itself. From the pulsating beats of the dance clubs in the Eixample district to the laid-back beach bars in Barceloneta, there's a spot for every mood and style. Don't miss the chance to experience a traditional flamenco performance, a fiery dance that captures the spirit of Spain. During the day, Barcelona is a shopping paradise. Whether you're hunting for high-end designer brands or unique locally made crafts, you'll find it in Barcelona. Passeig de Gràcia is home to luxury stores like Chanel and Louis Vuitton, while the winding streets of the Gothic Quarter are filled with quirky boutiques and vintage shops. For a truly local experience, visit Mercat de la Boqueria, a bustling market where you can buy everything from fresh produce to handmade souvenirs. Barcelona's calendar is packed with festivals, reflecting the city's love for celebration and its rich cultural heritage. From the colorful explosions of the Festa Major de Gràcia to the human towers during La Merce, these festivals are a sight to behold and a testament to the strong sense of community in Barcelona. For those with a love for the sea, Barcelona's beaches offer a multitude of activities. Spend a day soaking up the sun on Nova Icaria Beach, or try your hand at windsurfing or paddleboarding. The Mediterranean Sea is a playground for water sport enthusiasts. And of course, no visit to Barcelona is complete without a trip to Camp Nou, the home of FC Barcelona. Whether you're a football fan or not, the sheer size and energy of the stadium are sure to impress. You can even take a tour and walk in the footsteps of football legends like Lionel Messi and Johan Cruyff. Barcelona truly has something for everyone. Whether you're a night owl, a shopaholic, a culture vulture, a beach bum, or a football fanatic, this city will welcome you with open arms and a multitude of experiences. This journey around Barcelona only scratches the surface of what this city has to offer. Barcelona, a city brimming with rich history, vibrant culture, and delectable cuisine, truly has something for everyone. To recap our adventure, we've explored iconic landmarks that have left us awestruck, from the towering Sagrada Familia, a testament to Gaudi's architectural genius, to the historic Gothic Quarter, where every turn is a step back in time. Our taste buds were treated to an unforgettable food tour, indulging in the city's diverse culinary scene. We've savored everything from traditional tapas to mouth-watering paella, and let's not forget the heavenly churros con chocolate, a must-try for every sweet tooth. The city's charm lies not just in its sights and tastes, but also in its experiences. We've strolled along La Rambla, a lively street filled with unique shops, street artists, and the bustling Boqueria market. We've also enjoyed the stunning views from Park Güell, a colourful mosaic wonderland atop a hill. And let's not forget about the weather. Barcelona enjoys a Mediterranean climate, with warm summers and mild winters, making it a year-round destination. However, if you want to avoid the crowds, the months of April to June and September to November are considered the best times to visit. For budget-conscious travelers, keep in mind that costs can vary. Dining out, visiting landmarks, and experiencing activities can add up. But with a bit of planning, you can make the most out of your trip without breaking the bank. But remember, this is just a glimpse of what Barcelona has in store. There's so much more to discover, from its hidden gems to its local traditions. So, whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply a wanderer, Barcelona has something to pique your interest. With all that being said, it's time to close this chapter and open a new one. It's time for you to create your own stories in this enchanting city. Barcelona awaits you, ready to offer experiences that will etch in your memory forever.